Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Listen, starting an online business is something that a lot of people want to do, but they don't know where to start. I get it. Setting up a whole operation, figuring out inventory, customer service, shipping, it can be a lot, especially if you're brand new. But what if I told you there's a way to tap into the power of the world's largest online retailer without having to deal with any of that? That's where Amazon affiliate marketing comes in. In a nutshell, it's about recommending products you love to your audience. If they buy, you get a cut. No inventory, no shipping, no customer service headaches. And the best part is, you can start with $0. In this video, I'm breaking down a step-by-step guide to help you crush it with Amazon affiliate marketing in 2025. We'll cover everything from signing up to finding winning products and creating content that converts. So grab your notebooks and let's get started. Okay, so let's break down exactly what Amazon affiliate marketing is. Imagine this. You're recommending a book to a friend and they go, "Wow, that sounds awesome. Where can I get it?" You send them your unique Amazon affiliate link, they buy the book, and boom, you get a commission. That's affiliate marketing in a nutshell. Now, instead of just telling one friend, you're sharing your recommendations with a larger audience. Your blog readers, YouTube subscribers, Instagram followers, you name it. And the best part is, Amazon has a massive catalog of products. We're talking millions of items across every niche imaginable. Whether you're into tech gadgets, fashion, home decor, or even pet supplies, there's an audience out there looking for recommendations. And that's where you come in. You become the trusted source, the go-to person for finding the best products. But here's what makes it even better. It's all about passive income. You put in the work upfront to create great content, and then that content can continue to generate income for you even while you sleep. No more trading time for money. It's all about building an asset that works for you 24/7. Plus, you have the flexibility to work from anywhere in the world. As long as you have an internet connection, you can manage your affiliate marketing business. Now, I know what you might be thinking. Is this even legit? Can you really make money with this? And the answer is a resounding yes. But it does take work, strategy, and consistency. But don't worry, I'm going to walk you through everything you need to know to succeed in this video. So stick around because we're just getting started. Alright, so now that you understand the potential of Amazon affiliate marketing, let's get you set up with your very own account. Don't worry, it's super straightforward and completely free. Just head over to the Amazon Associates website. You'll see a big button that says Join for Free. Click on that, and it'll take you to the application page. Now you will need an Amazon account to get started. If you don't have one already, no worries. It takes just a minute to create one. Once you're logged in, you'll be asked to fill out some basic information about yourself and your website or social media channels. This is where you tell Amazon a little bit about your audience and how you plan to promote their products. Be as specific as possible here. The more information you provide, the better your chances of getting approved. Next, you'll need to agree to Amazon's terms and conditions. I know, nobody actually reads those, but in this case, it's important to at least skim through them so you know what's allowed and what's not. Once you've submitted your application, Amazon will review it, and you should hear back within 24 to 48 hours. In most cases, you'll get approved right away, but sometimes they might ask for additional information. If that happens, don't panic. Just respond to their request promptly, and you should be good to go. Now, here's a pro tip. Once you're approved, take some time to familiarize yourself with the Amazon Associates dashboard. This is your command center where you'll find your unique affiliate links, track your earnings, and access all sorts of helpful resources. Don't be overwhelmed by all the features. Just focus on the basics for now, and we'll dive deeper into some of the more advanced tools later on. Chapter 3. Choosing the right products to promote. Okay, so you're all set up with your Amazon affiliate account. Congrats! Now comes the fun part. Choosing the right products to promote. This is where things get strategic, because you don't want to just promote any random product. You want to focus on products that will resonate with your audience and actually make them want to click that buy button. The first thing to consider is your niche. What are you passionate about? What kind of content do you already create? If you have a blog about sustainable living, for example, it wouldn't make sense to promote gas-guzzling cars, right? Instead, you'd want to focus on eco-friendly products like reusable water bottles, bamboo toothbrushes, or energy-efficient appliances. The key is to choose products that align with your brand and the interests of your audience. Another important factor to consider is product demand. you want to make sure there's actually an audience out there searching for and buying the products you're promoting. A great way to gauge demand is to use a tool like Google Trends. Simply type in a product or keyword, and it'll show you how popular it is over time. You can even see regional interest, which can be helpful if you're targeting a specific geographic location. Now, here's a mistake I see a lot of beginners make. They only focus on promoting high-ticket items, thinking they'll make more money that way. While it's true that higher-priced products can result in bigger commissions, don't underestimate the power of lower-priced everyday items. Remember, people are more likely to make impulse purchases on things they need regularly, like toothpaste, coffee, or phone chargers. The key is to find a good balance between high-ticket and low-ticket items that fit within your niche and cater to your audience's needs. Chapter 4. Creating content that converts. All right, you've got your niche. You've found some killer products to promote. Now it's time to create content that actually converts viewers into buyers. Remember, it's not enough to just slap an affiliate link on your website or social media and hope for the best. You need to create high-quality, engaging content that provides value to your audience and makes them trust your recommendations. One of the best ways to do this is through product reviews. People love reading or watching reviews before they make a purchase, so this is your chance to position yourself as an expert in your niche. When creating a review, make sure it's detailed, honest, and unbiased. Don't just regurgitate the product description from Amazon. Instead, share your personal experience using the product, highlighting both its pros and cons. If you can, include high-quality photos or videos of the product in action. This will make your review more visually appealing and give viewers a better sense of what to expect. Another effective content format is comparison articles or videos. This is where you compare two or more similar products side by side, highlighting their key features, differences, and which one might be a better fit for certain needs. For example, if you're in the tech niche, you could create a comparison video of the latest iPhone versus the Samsung Galaxy phone. Or, if you're in the fitness niche, you could compare different protein powders or workout programs. The key here is to be objective and provide valuable insights that help your audience make an informed decision. Don't forget about the power of storytelling. People connect with stories, so find ways to weave your affiliate products into relatable narratives. For example, if you're promoting a travel backpack, share a story about your own travel experiences and how that particular backpack made your trip easier and more enjoyable. The more you can connect with your audience on an emotional level, the more likely they are to trust your recommendations and make a purchase. Chapter 5. Analyzing performance and optimizing your strategy. So you've been creating amazing content and driving traffic to your affiliate links. That's awesome! But the work doesn't stop there. To really maximize your earnings, you need to track your performance and make data-driven decisions to optimize your strategy over time. Luckily, Amazon provides you with all the tools you need to do this right from your associate's dashboard. One of the most important metrics to track is your click-through rate, or CTR. This tells you how many people are actually clicking on your affiliate links after seeing your content. If you have a low CTR, it could mean that your links aren't placed strategically, or that your content isn't compelling enough to warrant a click. Experiment with different link placements and calls to action to see what resonates best with your audience. Another crucial metric is your conversion rate, which tells you how many clicks on your affiliate links are actually converting into sales. If you have a high CTR but a low conversion rate, it could mean that the product you're promoting isn't a good fit for your audience, or that the product page on Amazon isn't optimized for conversions. Consider testing out different products or providing more detailed information about the product in your content to see if that improves your conversion rate. Don't be afraid to experiment with different content formats, promotional strategies, and even niches to see what works best for you. The beauty of affiliate marketing is that it's a constantly evolving landscape, and there's always something new to learn and try. Remember, success in affiliate marketing doesn't happen overnight. It takes time, effort, and a willingness to adapt and improve your strategy along the way. But by staying consistent, providing value to your audience, and analyzing your performance, you can turn your passion into a profitable online business. Start your Amazon affiliate marketing journey today. So there you have it, a comprehensive guide to get you started with Amazon affiliate marketing in 2025. Remember, building a successful online business takes time and effort, but with the right strategies and a lot of hustle, you can achieve your financial goals. If you found this video helpful, Don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel for more awesome content, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any future uploads. I'm rooting for your success. Now go out there and crush it with Amazon affiliate marketing.